Yesterday, it was a very, very early wake-up call. A lot of folks got waken out of a dead sleep with those thunderstorms coming through. The severe weather, we had, well, at least 6 tornadoes yesterday. So I just want to show you where we're stacking up now for the year. So for the year, in the entire state, we average 58 tornadoes. Some years are a lot more active. This year, we have had 136. 56 of those were in April. You remember 52 in May. Pretty quiet through the summer months. And then 23 tornadoes so far for the month of November, and that is historic. So since data has been kept, we have had on record 12 tornadoes for November as the highest. That was back in 1958. No more. Now the record stands with the year 2024 with at least 23. We will see, because crews are still surveying the damage. There are several areas where we had some damage up near Hennessy, over near Watonga. Was that a brief tornado? Very possibly. So we will have to get a look at the data with that as crews go out and survey. We know the storm near Gould produced at least EF1 damage, the one near Mangum, EF0, but there were multiple more touchdowns that we were tracking live on the air with you yesterday. Marty Logan, of course, he was out yesterday tracking the storms, and then he went down to the damage, found the irrigation there, the big pivot, with clear skies in the afternoon, but man, damage had been done. Flipping over some containers, storage containers, things like that. We had metal roofs, tin roofs from outbuildings, from homes being ripped off, and numerous power poles that were snapped in southwest Oklahoma. Marty was talking to the power crews. Some of them told him of at least 25 poles that had been broken off farther to the southwest. So man, thank our linemen, that's for sure, who go out right after the storms to get those new poles set and get those lines back up, completely sheared off there. So we'll keep updating you on the count and the ratings as they come in. There goes the storm getting out of here, exiting the area. Next storm coming in from the northwest. This one will skirt across Canada. Blizzard warnings are out for that one. Meanwhile, blue skies on our Lucky Star Sky Cam network. We warm from the 30s and 40s to the 50s now. We're up to 53 in downtown, in Moore, 54. 54 at Tinker. It's 51 in Newcastle, 51 in Minko. We've got a lot of 50s, mid-50s to the south, and still holding on to the 40s for a while longer in the northwest. Cold front moved in. We had that ripping north wind yesterday behind that storm. Now the winds are much calmer, 10 to 20. I'm not a golfer, but so many of our viewers are, and if you're headed to the links today, sunshine and temperatures in the 60s is what we're expecting. It just looks great to enjoy the outdoors. 70s in southern Oklahoma, a little warmer, but feeling November-like today. We've got 50s up to the north. All that sinking air behind the storm is with us, and that will be with us over the next few days. So what we've got going on is kind of that cooler air spilling in. Tonight's colder, tomorrow our highs are cooler. Really for the next couple of days, it's going to be chilly in the mornings and then cool in the afternoons. But the ridge builds in by the end of the week. For your weekend, gorgeous weather. Windy on Saturday. Sunday, very nice. Heading into early next week. Cold front moves in, brings in chilly temps, maybe some rain. Some data suggests a little light snow in northern Oklahoma. And in time for Thanksgiving, Arctic air is coming in from the north. Does it make it here on Thursday? Some data says yes, some data says no. It'll be close, but we're definitely much more chilly as we head towards the end of next week. Now tonight, anticipating 30s across the region. Not out of the question to get some fog. I don't think it'll be, or some frost, I should say. Not out of the question to see that, but the winds are up a little more, so it's hard to get frost to really settle in when you've got a 10 to 20 mile an hour wind. But it will be cold tomorrow morning for sure. Wind chills will be a factor. Tomorrow afternoon, 50s on the way, which is close to our average. So a couple of cool days, especially for your Thursday and Friday. But by Saturday, we're back to the 60s, some 70s around, and that front moves in next week. Back to you guys.